What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm letting my 147-year-old grandpa ride my dirt bike. I'm kind of scared, but before we get into the video, I'm going to show you my new knife. It is a saw knife. My great aunt Cindy got it for me. So Cindy, if you're watching this, thank you for the knife. Now, let's get into the video. Now let me introduce you to my 147-year-old grandpa. Hello. My name's Billy. Oh man, I can't see nothing. And I'm gonna ride a dirt bike. Let's go. Now that you all have met him, let's go let him ride this. I just hope he don't break a bone. Like, he's already broke 2 hips, so he don't break another one. I mean, he only has 2 hips, but I don't know. Let's go ride. Grandpa? Are you alright? You want me to drive it over there?
Yeah, I think you might need to, son.
Okay, I'll drive it down there. I knew this would happen, guys. Now I'm gonna let my grandpa get on. Oh boy.
Okay. Dang. To help me.
Oh my goodness. What did you do? Oh. I don't think this is such a good idea. Destroying my dirt bike. Let's move this somewhere else. Grandpa.
I don't know how to do this. Well, my grandson said to do the outro, so I'm gonna do it. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that sub button, that red button, and that like button, and that bell. I'm gonna go get me a glass of sweet tea.
Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, and God bless.